How to open a savings account on Wells Fargo. So you want to Google search for Wells Fargo Savings account, and the first website right here is the official one, open a savings account online. So we want to click on it. Now, like I said, it will take us to the official Wells Fargo website, and if we scroll down a little bit, we will see this red button called Open Now. So if we select it, it will take us to another page. So this is what the opening process looks like. First, we have to tell them about ourselves, then we will customize the account, and then we have to put in an opening deposit. So when you submit your application, you receive an instant online response informing you of whether your application status was accepted or not, and any steps that you need to take. So here you can read through the information that you need to supply. So social security number, valid ID, and an opening deposit. So $25 is the minimum. So first we have to select whether we want a joint account or an individual. So I'm going to leave it as an individual. Then we have to tell them whether we are a Wells Fargo online banking customer. So for my case, I'm going to select no, and then what we got to do is click on continue, and it will take us to the next step. So the next step is writing our info, or giving them our info here. So first name and last name are mandatory, the middle name is optional. Then right here we'll have to fill in the social security number, or we can choose to do ITIN. So I'm going to leave it as social security, and here's where you will type your social security number. Then for the ID type, you can choose how you would like to identify yourself. Now, state issued, you have to select which state you're from, or which state issued your ID. Expiration date, you can read through all of this information right here, and it's really important that we use an email address that we have access to. So like a primary email address, you may need to confirm your account on there. Now, phone type, you can select what type of phone you use, as well as you have to write your phone number. Your home address, well, the first one is mandatory, the second one is optional. City, state, zip code, and your occupation, what field you're in. So after you have filled in all this information, you have to check this, and then you gotta click on continue, and it will tell you, or it will take you to the page for the options. You can select what you would like Wells Fargo to do. Then the review process is simply you going over your information and checking if everything you've written is correct. And then the terms, you will read through their terms of service, see if you agree to them or not. And then the funding is the step whether when you put in your $25 deposit. So that's the process of creating a Wells Fargo account online. Hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.